Hey there, fellow coders! Are you tired of staring at lines of code all day long? Need a break from the endless debugging? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of VS Code Games extensions. Get ready to level up your coding experience with these 6 stress-relieving gems. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech tips and tricks. Now, let's talk about the classics. First up, the Chrome Dinosaur Game. This hidden gem, which was originally on Google Chrome, is now available on VS Code as well. It lets you control a T-Rex as it dashes through a pixelated desert, jumping over cactus and dodging flying birds. It's simple, addictive, and the perfect way to unwind between coding sessions. Moving on, let's escape reality with Escape the Maze. Feeling stuck in a coding rut? Take on the challenge of escaping a virtual maze right from your code editor. This extension not only provides a mental break, but also sharpens your problem-solving skills. Navigate through twists and turns, find the exit, and emerge victorious. Next, let's slide into the slide game. The slide game is a classic sliding tile puzzle where the objective is to arrange the numbered tiles in ascending order by maneuvering them into an empty space. Featuring a 4x4 grid with tiles numbered from 1 to 15, along with one vacant spot, players must strategically shift the tiles horizontally or vertically to solve the puzzle. The challenge lies in determining the optimal sequence of moves to achieve the desired arrangement. This captivating game serves as a mental workout, testing your agility, logic, and problem-solving abilities. With various difficulty levels available, it accommodates players of all skill levels. Need a mental challenge? Try your hand at the Sudoku Game. Take a break from coding complexities and immerse yourself in the world of numbers and logic. With varying difficulty levels, Sudoku Game offers endless brain-teasing fun right from your favorite code editor. The game offers 4 distinct game modes: easy, normal, hard, and evil. Each mode presents varying levels of difficulty to cater to players of all skill levels. Feeling nostalgic? How about a game of visual snake code? Remember the classic snake game? Well, now you can play it right inside Visual Studio Code. Guide your snake through the maze, maneuvering around obstacles and growing longer with each movement. It's a retro gaming experience with a modern twist. And last but not least, let's meet our virtual companions with vscode-pets. Who said coding has to be a solitary activity? With vscode-pets, you can adopt your virtual coding companion right within VS Code. Choose from a variety of pets, take care of them, and watch them grow as you write code. It's like having a furry friend by your side through every coding adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding!